Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sakshi Cute Blogger. Hope you all are fit and staying safe at your homes. In my today's video, I'll teach you how to solve unitary method word problems. And yes, before we get started, I want you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my video and you'll be able to watch my video first. And also like, share and comment my video. So let's not delay too much and continue. So guys, here is our first question. If 20 men can dig a well in 16 days, how many men will be required to dig the well in 10 days? So the information here we know is 20 men can dig the well in 16 days. And the question they are asking us is how many men are required to dig the well in 10 days? So the statement that can be formed here is 20 men dig the well in 16 days. So how many men are required to dig the well in 10 days? So using this now we can find. So let's assume in one day how many men will be required to dig the well? It's equal to 20 into 16 men will be required to dig the well. So in 10 days how many men will be required is our question. So in 10 days 20 into 16 by 10 men will be required to dig the well in 10 days. So solving this we are going to obtain 32. So 32 men. So now we know that 32 men will be able to dig the well in 10 days. Next, I'll teach you how to solve the same question in proportional method. So guys, this is the same question and now we are going to solve this question in proportional method. So the same thing we know is 20 men dig the well in 16 days. So how many men will be required to dig the well in 10 days? So based on this, now we'll frame the proportion first. As we know, if 20 men dig the well in 16 days, in 10 days more men will be required. So it's a indirect proportion. So in indirect proportion we write as x1 by x2 is equals to y2 by y1 as it is indirect proportion. So here x1 is 20 men. Now we don't know how many men are required to dig the well in 10 days. So we are going to assume it as x is equals to y2 is 10 days because x men will dig the well in 10 days and in 20 men will dig the well in 16 days. So solving this, we'll get the equation like x is equals to 20 into 16 by 10. So here we'll get x is equals to 32. So now we again get to know that 32 men are required to dig the well in 10 days. So this is the second method called the proportional method to solve this question. And any question can be solved in either proportional method or in unitary method. So guys, here we have our second question. How much would 12 boxes of crayons cost if it is given that 9 boxes of crayon cost rupees 189? So here what we know is 9 boxes of crayons are costing rupees 189 and the question they are asking to us is how much will 12 boxes of crayons cost? So let's write if 9 boxes of crayons is equals to rupees 189. Therefore, cost of one box is equals to 189 by 9. So, cost of 12 box will be equal to 189 by 9 into 12. So as we know that if the cost of one box of crayon is 189 by 9, then the cost of 12 boxes of crayons will be 189 by 9 into 12. So guys, once we solve this, we'll get the amount to be rupees 252. So now we know that 12 box of crayons is going to cost rupees 252. So guys, this is the same question, and this question now we will solve in the method of proportion. So as we know that 9 box of crayons cost rupees 189. So they are asking us the question that how much will 12 box of crayons cost. So as we know, if 9 box of crayons cost rupees 189, 12 box of crayons will obviously cost more than 189. So it's direct proportion. So if 9 box of crayons cost rupees 189, so 12 box of crayons will cost rupees X. So this is the form. Or you can write it in the method like X1 by X2 is equals to Y1 by Y2. So if we write so, we'll get here 9 by 12 is equals to 189 by X. So once you're going to shift, you will get as X is equals to 189 into 12 by 9. Because this 12 will go into RHS. From division, it's going to become into multiplication. So 189 into 12. And this X will come to LHS and 9 will go into RHS into division. So it's going to become as 189 into 12 by 9. So now we'll get the value of X to be rupees 252. So again we know that the cost of 12 boxes of crayons is rupees 252. You can prefer either of the method, either the unitary method or the proportional method, which you find easy. Both are correct and can be solved easily. So guys, hope you have understood the concept taught in this video. Any doubts regarding this video, you can ask me in the comments box. And also comment how did you feel my video. And don't forget to comment what you want me to teach you in my next video. So till then, stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves.